The Coolant C780 FNC has a 5-gallon coolant tank. And keep in mind, the coolant is just as important as blades when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is especially designed for bandsaws cutting carbon steel. The C-5200 is a synthetic coolant that is low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradable. Like the cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it should be mixed at a 10:1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The C-5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blades, reducing friction, and keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance.